Culture as easy as 1, 2, 3. Have you ever worked in a culture that did not motivate you to achieve at a high level? I have worked in a culture that rewarded personal growth as well as the company growth. Everyone wanted to excel in everything that they did. I have also worked in a company that did everything to micromanage, and it became difficult to go to work every day. You know which one succeeded. Every company will have a culture. It will be either defined by the owners of the company, or defined by the employees in the absence of ownership making a decision. Leaders define values, values create culture, culture drives behavior, and behavior produces results. Developing a culture is a three-part process, easier said than done? So here you go. Believe it, sell it, demand it. Believe it. It really is all about understanding your guiding principles and core values. This is the heart of the organization. What behaviors are essential to execute your strategy and the beliefs that drive those behaviors? Examine yourself. Do you really truly believe in those core values, and does your behavior reflect those beliefs? This is critical because you set the tone for the culture. If it is not happening in you, it will never happen through you. Sell it. Once you have clearly defined, clearly communicate to all members of the team. Explain why it is essential to the success of the organization. This is not a debate. This is the leader standing before the team and building the foundation necessary for success. Your culture message must be exceptionally clear, with no confusion, no uncertainty, and no excuses. This is what we believe and how we behave. It is who we are. Demand it. After we have defined and communicated with clarity what the culture is and who we are, it is imperative to hold people accountable. Communicate that this is not merely an expectation, it is a requirement. One of the mistakes that people make is to allow people to do things that are inconsistent with their culture. Remember, if you permit it, you promote it. Remember, developing a culture is a three-part process. Leaders define values, values create culture, culture drives behavior, and behavior produces results. Believe it, sell it, demand it. If you want to develop a high-performing culture, contact me and we can see a way forward to your success. Contact us to help set your business for success. Thanks for watching.